Social responsibility, righteous values, and global ethics. They evoke a desire for an improved future and inspire confidence for change. Change for a better, greener, sustainable environment. KLK OLEO. We believe that our business operations are on the right track. Our commitment tells us so. Honesty, transparency, integrity, and a clear conscience for our environment. KLK OLEO produces a wide range of ingredients for consumer products that touches our daily lives. At home, in the garden, at work, for leisure, and on the road. From food to pharmaceutical ingredients to sustainable fuel. The production of each item is created to accurately meet varied and specific needs of individual manufacturing industries and global brand names. With the vast number of consumers in the world using large amounts of resources, there are deep concerns for the environment and the impact from the waste of mass production during and after use. With stringent compliance to sustainable requirements throughout KLK OLEO's production and manufacturing processes, we can safely say that our practice is kind, gentle, and friendly to Mother Nature. We will continuously strive to use sustainable materials and adopt processes that do not compromise the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It is said that a glass of clean drinking water may one day be the most valuable commodity. At KLK OLEO, we take raw materials and sustainability seriously, finding an equilibrium with nature. KLK OLEO practices high-quality standards of production that are recognized and certified by international regulatory bodies. It has also met the requirements of the Round Table on Sustainable Palm Oils (RSPO's) Supply Chain Certification (SCC) systems. KLK OLEO is an integral part of Kuala Lumpur Kepong Berhad (KLK), a reputable international plantation group listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, Bursa, Malaysia. Today, KLK OLEO develops and manufactures palm-based oleochemical and derivative products, and we will continue to drive change in the oleochemical industry by pursuing international standards of recognition and global sustainability for the sake of our nation and the world.